Hello everyone, this is Jag and welcome to a 2-minute tip video segment where I share gardening tips with you in a straightforward 2-minute video. And in this video, I'll be sharing 5 tips with you on how to grow basil from a cutting so that you can turn this into this. So let's get started.
Step number 1, the selection of the stem. Select a stem that does not have a seed stalk or the crown. Step number 2, select a stem that is at least 3 to 4 inches long. Step number 3, remove all the extra leaves, leaving only the first 1 or 2 sets of leaves. Step number 4, put the stem in water to root. If your water is heavily chlorinated, use filtered water. After 2 weeks in water, the basil stem develops really good set of roots. Basil is one of the easiest plants to grow from a stem. Once the roots develop, we are on to step number 5, which is planting the basil stem in ground or in pots. Get a really well-balanced compost and soil mixture, dig a hole in the soil and place the basil plant in the hole and cover with soil. The basil plant has been planted and ready to grow.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed these 5 steps on how to grow basil from a cutting, and I'll see you in another video.
Wait, I still have some time left, so share it with your family and friends as every second is precious.